Today I will show you how to put a tattoo on a person. Drag and drop a tattoo on the subject. Then press Ctrl+T to resize the tattoo and place wherever you want. In Layer panel, change Blend Mode Normal to Multiply. Double-click on Tattoo Layer. Layer Style dialog box will appear. Simply move the underline layer slider accordingly. Then hit OK button. Then adjust the tattoo as required. So that's it. That's how you can put a tattoo on any picture. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.